do their work more efficiently. Can I get back? Okay. The next one is ESDM Innovation Center, which we are planning with support from Karnataka government as well as the STPI organization. The purpose of the ESDM Innovation Center is that, and I think I talked in the when I was there 1 year back also, that the infrastructure and availability of the resource for a young guy who has a very good idea to convert it to a product are almost non-existent, right? You cannot keep running to SP road, and you cannot basically get the components. It takes 3 months. There is MOQ problem. There is no facility. So this innovation center is going to be available for anybody who has a very good paper idea. It doesn't have to be basically huge, big idea. Paper idea which has some value. They can come to this innovation center and convert it to the prototype. If prototype is basically looks good, then we will support him in basically with the business plan and so on and so forth. Because typically we focus at the business plan level. What we felt that's too late, and that's where probably we don't, they don't need much support from us, right? So we want to catch them much earlier than where they reach to a business plan level, and this facility provides all necessary support, infrastructure, accessibility for a young guy. Means old are not excluded also, but for a young guy to basically take their ideas to prototype. We want to have thousands of people start using this facility. This is first pilot, but I think working with STPI, we want to open this kind of innovation centers across the country so everybody can use it. Venture fund. Obviously, fabulous companies cannot be done with very small investment or self-investment. So we need a venture capital availability for the semiconductor startups. So there has been a program which has been conceptualized by one of the world's leading venture capitalists, Walden Capital, which is putting up a semiconductor focused venture fund, and that should be kind of up and running in the next 3 to 4 months. And another interesting thing is that under the leadership of Karnataka government, we are starting a project where the whole Bangalore the 1300 kilometers of the Bangalore will be fully Wi-Fi connected. Any citizen, anywhere, anytime will have the Wi-Fi access. So pilot for this has started. It has been approved product, and then probably soon we'll see the results of this. So these are some of the things which have been done, and some of the things which are on the way. Hopefully, under the leadership of the new executive council, all of them will get realized this year, and at the end of the year, we will see another 20 bullets with the accomplishment of IESA. Now, all of this would not have been possible without help from a lot of people. So, I would quickly basically go over people who provided significant help in getting these things done. Obviously, as a patron of ministry, MCIT and IT has been very supportive of IESA in terms of knowledge partnership, providing us support and help in all the endeavors which we do, especially secretary, minister, and joint secretary have been very active in working with the IESA, as well as the STPI, which is also part of the IT at some point of the time. DG and local leadership, Parsati sir and Sanjay, have been very supportive. So thank you, sir. I can say more about the government of Karnataka. I think not just this year, past 5 years, 7 years since the IESA started, they have been providing the continuous support and encouragement, and I think we have excellent working relationship, and together, hopefully, by next year, we will have some big things done in the state of the Karnataka. STPI we mentioned. I think the two of our biggest programs for the next year are with support of the STPI. So we want to convert STPI to ETPI now. So because as part is going away, so probably we will start calling it Electronics Technology Parks of India. As I said, with government of Odisha, we are starting a strategic report to set up the electronics manufacturing cluster there. So thanks for putting their faith into IESA and doing that. All the sponsors we have supported us with the Vision Summit, Strategic Electronics Summit, TLF, all the other events. I think no organization like IESA can be successful without strong support from uh, the ecosystem partner who provide the sponsorship support for all of these events to make us successful. Um, the other partners like Alcina, who supported us with the strategic electronic summit, Frost and Sullivan, who did the excellent report on the ESDM system, E&Y, who is supporting us for the disability study, and IPAN, who did basically very excellent job in uh, giving the visibility to IESA through their PR effort. Special thanks to Tarana. I think this year we had probably one of the best coverage in media of the IESA, not in terms of the quantity, but the quality of the press coverage was very, very good, where the significant viewpoints were covered, not just the events and things like that. Obviously, Tarana worked with a lot of media people, so thanks to all the media people who, if they are here, for providing us the platform. And also over the last 3 years, I'm seeing that like people don't talk about the electronics and semiconductor and this, that. People talk about the ESDM. That's it, right? ESDM has become a very well-known buzzword in the media industry everywhere. When you say ESDM, they understand it all. So thanks for that. Obviously, the team which worked with me, without them, obviously nothing would have had happened. So some of them are there. We'll just recognize them in the due time. Obviously, the IESA team, IESA Secretariat, Gaurav, Surya, Debanjan, Rajiv, all of them supported us, all of this initiative big time to make things happen. And obviously, all of you, the member committee, nothing would happen without you. We are here because of you. We are there for you because of you. In the end, I would like to give special thanks to a gentleman and a visionary who provided initial impetus to whole ESDM movement, right? Probably some of you will know him, some of you may not know him. When we started in 2009, this gentleman, who is from the government of India, provided very strong guardianship in steering the ESDM and get the movement started. And as he basically finishes his active duty and move to more active tasks, we would like to thank and pay our gratitude to him to make this happen. So I would like to say my personal thanks on behalf of all of us to Shri Chandrasekhar, because he was very instrumental in getting this EHDM thing started in 2009 and so on and so forth. So he provided the initial leadership. So maybe a round of applause. He's not here, but we still would like to so when I end and we move to the next item, I just would like to mention about an initiative which we started in the Karnataka called KIG. So about 6 to 8 months, Karnataka government decided to form a ICT vision group called KIG 2020. The charter was to see that basically by 2020 how we can put the strategies and action plan in place so that we continue to grow and achieve our objectives of 2020. So, Shri IESA Prasad, his predecessor, Shri Vidya Shankar, all of us provided a big support for that, and this group was set in the leadership of Shri Mohandas Pai and B.V.N. Naidu, who were the co-chair, and there were about 8 or 9 members of it. From our community, myself, Sanjay Nayak, and B.V. Naidu, 3 of us were basically representing the ESDM. Why I particularly want to mention it is that within 6 months of duration, a complete action plan, not just the ESDM, for making Bangalore ready for 2020 was conceived and approved by the government. And Shri Vidya Shankar is going to talk about the ESDM policy which came out of that effort. But so it was a very intense effort, and the productivity of the effort was very high. Lot of new ideas, like I talked about the Wi-Fi project, right? It was just conceived in 2 meetings. All the things done, approved, got basically going. So I think if we can work with the government in such a fashion, I think we can make a huge difference to the whole ecosystem. And when Shri Prasad talks about the ESDM policy, you will see how progressive and far thinking this ESDM policy which has come out. But it has been conceived and approved in 4 months period. I think that's amazing. So thanks to the government support and everybody who worked on the KIG. And with that, I would like to invite Prasad sir to talk about the KIG and the ESDM